What is going on, my friends? Welcome back to Amusement Time, and the day has finally come that we've been waiting for. We finally got our Terrifier 3 popcorn bucket. So you know what? Let's check it out. We'll open it up together, and let's have a look at it. Alright guys, let's go. Alright my friends, before we get started, do me a favor, click that like button, click that subscribe button. Alright guys, let's check this bad boy out. Let's cut into this box. I had to go and pick it up from the post office today. That's why I took a little bit longer. Bigger packages, they never like delivering to my apartment. So I had to go pick it up from the post office. That's why I took the extra day. But let's check out this bad boy. Oh my goodness, we've been waiting since how long? Since October. We ordered it when the movie came out. So this is gonna be awesome. We have been waiting a long time. Very, very cool. Even though we knew it was going to take till March, it said when we pre-ordered it, you know, but it was still worth pre-ordering because it's cool. It's like a piece of memorabilia for a movie that we all love. Boom! Check that bad boy out. Check that bad boy out. We're going to have to open this. Let's open up this plastic and get a better look. Let's see. Let me just do a clean slice. Clean slice. Alright. It wasn't that clean. Alright, but at least it opened up easy. Let's get a better look. Alright. Very nice. What do you guys think? What do you guys think of this bad boy? Very nice. I like it. I like the detail on it. I like the blood splatter. Let's see. Let's open this bad boy up in the back. It wouldn't have been the most convenient for popcorn, but you know what? It's not like I would have used it for popcorn anyway. I would have gotten it just to display it, you know, which most of us would have done anyway. But look, it's not that much room for your hand, but it still doesn't matter because we didn't get it for popcorn. We got it to display it. So now we're going to have to display it. We're going to have to rearrange stuff on the shelf so we have a way to display it. But what do you guys think? What do you guys think about the detail on it? I like it. Look at the detail on the cheekbones. Very, very nice. I like the blood splatter, the teeth. Blood splatter on both sides. Oh, you see that? Both sides. You got the eyebrows. Very cool. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. What do you guys think? I like it. Out of all the popcorn buckets that we've gotten in the past, this is a lot cooler. One of the coolest popcorn buckets. Let me go down. Boom. Very cool. What do you guys think? Let me grab one of the older popcorn buckets. Not a Terrifier one, but one that we've gotten in the past to compare. Alright, I'm back with another popcorn bucket. This is a popcorn bucket that we got when Ghostbusters Frozen Empire came out. Look at the difference. Look at this one, is so much more detailed. Such a better popcorn bucket. Yeah, this one obviously has a bigger room for popcorn. You know, you can fit your hand in there, you know, but when you talk about detail-wise, this one is so much better detail-wise. Yeah, this one's cool, I guess, for popcorn, you know, but we only used it once, you know. But this one's going to go on display. This one's on display too, but not really where you could see it. This one's going to have to go on the shelf with the pops. So we're going to have to figure out some way to display them. I do not know how yet, but we're going to figure it out. But I am really digging this. This is a really nice detailed popcorn bucket. Let me put this bad boy back real quick. Yeah, guys, but I'm really, really liking it. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. It was definitely worth the wait. I actually think it was worth the wait. I'm very happy with it. We're going to have to now rearrange things and find a way to display it. Like I said, we're going to need a whole shelf just designated for Terrifier. Because whenever the other pops come, we're going to have Sienna vs. Art movie moment. That pop still, I believe, in May, that one comes out. And that one's already pre-ordered, so that one's going to take up a decent amount of space. So we're going to have to figure out how we're going to rearrange everything so that way we could fit the new pop on the shelves. We're going to have to just probably clear out one of these whole shelves or buy another shelf. Or maybe I'll rearrange these ones over here. These where these Legos are. Maybe I'll move some of these bad boys over so that way we can just clear out some of these. I don't know. It's so tough because these are my favorite pops. These are my favorite ones. Obviously, the Terrifier pops, the Breaking Bad, Back to the Future. These are just some pairs that I put together, you know. And of course, Big Trouble in Little China and the Boondock Saints and Scarface. Those are some of my first ones, you know. So, but I'm definitely going to have to figure out how we are going to set up this display. How we're going to set up this display, because we're going to have to clear out some more room. But let me know what you guys think of this popcorn bucket. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. I think it was worth it. It's very detailed. It's way higher detail than the Slimer popcorn bucket. Definitely worth the wait, worth the money. You know, it's like I said, it doesn't matter that you can't, you know, put that much popcorn in it, because we didn't get it for popcorn. We got it to display it because of how cool it is. You know, it says Terrifier 3 on the back. You can't really see it, can you? From the lighting? Oh, I'm trying a little bit, you know, but very, very cool, guys. I love it. I'm really digging it. Highly detailed. We're gonna figure out some room for the shelf, and maybe you'll see it in the background of our videos from here on out, if I could figure out how to display it. But we're gonna figure it out, guys. All right, I really appreciate you guys hanging out with me and tuning in. Let me know down in the comments what you think about the popcorn bucket. I really dig it. You know, I'm glad that we pre-ordered it. Let me know if you guys ended up adding one to your collection as well. All right, like I said, click that like button, click that subscribe button. It really, really helps us out, helps the channel grow, and allows us to have more fun and create more fun videos. All right, guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.